Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'll be showing you guys how to enhance the quality of your video using Hybrid. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone for their support on the previous video. Your support is greatly appreciated. I hope I see the same supporters in the future. As mentioned in my previous video, to acquire Hybrid, simply go to cellular.de, then go to the downloads page and select the installer based on what operating system you're using. After installing Hybrid, go ahead and open it and select this folder icon in the upper right hand corner to select your input video. Once again, I'll be using the 20th Century Fox intro as my input video. Go ahead and select open. Over here in the processing section, for your video, keep the encoder on X264, and for your audio, select custom in the dropdown. Next, head over to the X264 tab and leave your encoding mode and target mode the same. For your bitrate, just like in the previous video, this is dependent based on your video's resolution. I'm using a 1080p video once again, so my bitrate will be 12,500 kilobits per second. For other bitrates of other resolutions, please check the description. Deselect the fast first pass checkbox. Make sure your AVC profile is on high. And the level, this is also dependent based on your video's resolution. If you're using a 1440p or 4K video, select 5.0. If you are using a 1080p video, select 4.2. If you're using a video with a resolution of 720p or below, select 4.1. The video that I've inputted into Hybrid is 1080p, so I would select 4.2. Next, head over to the filtering tab, and down here in the support in the bottom right hand corner, select the drop down and select no accent. For the deinterlacer, select the drop down and select none. Also deselect auto. Next, head over to the filtering tab next to the AV sync tab and select the sharpen checkbox. For the strength, set it to 1.5 and leave the radius on small. Please follow these settings strictly, else your output video will not look as expected. Lastly, head over to the audio tab right next to the filtering tab. Select the audio encoding options checkbox, and under the encoder tab, make sure your audio format is either on AAC or MP3. For your bitrate, make sure this is the same as your input audio bitrate. My bitrate is 320 kilobits per second, so I would select 320 kilobits per second from the dropdown. Select this plus next to this box to add your audio file to the queue. You are all done and can now head back to the base tab and select your output file destination. I'll simply name mine my output file the same as my input file, except put it in this video's folder. Click save, and click this icon in the bottom right hand corner to start the job. After the encoding process has finished, we can now go to our destination folder and check out our output video. Here it is. First, let's take a look at our input video and compare the differences. Okay, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you guys think down in the comments. I'll catch you all later. Bye.